So students, I hope you have understood the previous topic, that is GDP and welfare. In this video we can learn about nominal GDP and real GDP.
National income can be estimated at current price or constant price. If it is expressed at current price, it is called nominal national income. When it is expressed at base year price or constant price, it is called real national income. Let's first discuss nominal national income. It is the total money value of goods and services produced in a country during a year expressed at the current price level. Now, what is current price? Current price is the price level prevailing during the year of estimation. We can express nominal national income is equal to Q into P, where Q is quantity of final goods and services produced during an accounting year. P is the price level prevailing during the same accounting year. From the above equation, we can say that national income can increase either by increasing Q, P remaining constant, or by increasing P, Q remaining constant. If national income increases due to increase in Q, it is called real increase in national income. If it increases due to increase in P alone, then it is called monetary or nominal increase in national income. Monetary increase in national income has no significance. It doesn't increase the flow of goods and services in the economy. It only creates money illusion. Now, let's see what is real national income. Here, national income expressed in terms of base year price index. What is base year? Base year is the year when price level of all are within a normal range. We can express real national income is equal to Q into P star. Here, Q is the quantity of final goods and services produced during an accounting year. P star is the price prevailing during the base year. In the above equation, we see that real national income increases only when Q increases, as base year price P star is always constant. So, when real national income increases, there is an increase in the flow of goods and services in the economy. Nominal national income or national income at current year price can be converted into real national income or national income at base year price by using the price index. We assume the price index of base year to be 100. So the formula is real national income is equal to nominal national income into base year price index, that is 100, divided by current year price index. Let's take an example. If we take 2010 as base year and want to estimate national income of 2015, so the current year is 2015. Suppose national income at current year price is rupees 30,000 crore and current year price index is 120, whereas base year price index is always 100. Then we can easily estimate the real national income by using the formula. Here, real national income is rupees 25,000 crore. GDP deflator. GDP deflator is the ratio between GDP at current price and GDP at constant price. It shows the change in GDP due to change in price level. GDP deflator is equal to GDP at current price divided by GDP at constant price into 100.
So thank you students. Soon we will meet in the next class. Until then, bye.